Friends, I am Nutan Gupta sending the solution of the chapter Agriculture and Industries. First, we will discuss fill in the blanks. The most popular staple food of India is wheat. Moong and urad are pulses. In India, sugar is made from sugarcane. Dash grow best in hilly areas with heavy rainfall. Tea. An industry convert dash material into finished goods. Raw material. Handicrafts are generally made in dash industries. Cottage. Now we will discuss question number B. Name two main crops grown in each of the following state. In Punjab, there are wheat and cotton. In Assam, jute and tea. Maharashtra, sugarcane and millets. Tamil Nadu, tea and rice. Now we will discuss question answer. Why is the development of agriculture and industry important for our country? Development of agriculture and industry is essential for our country to progress of our country. What kind of climate is best for growing rice and tea? Rice. Hot and wet climate is best for growing rice. Tea. Tea grow best in warm humid climate with abundant rainfall. Now question number 3. What steps were taken under the Green Revolution to increase food production? These steps were taken using better quality seeds, increasing area under irrigation, using manure and fertilizers, using modern machinery such as tractor and harvesters. Now the next question. What is the difference between large scale and small scale industry? Difference between large scale and small scale industry are: first, small scale industry. Small scale industry use small machines and employ more people. Number 2, it is not very expensive. Now, number 3, example, furniture, utensil, plastic goods are etc. are the product of small scale industries. Now the large scale industries employ thousands of the people and use large machine. Now the second, it is very expensive. Now the example is textile, steel, automobile, etc. companies are belong to the large scale industry. Now question number 5. Why it is important to have a cottage and small scale industries? Answer. These industries are very useful for employing a large number of people. Such as industries can be set up easily in rural areas to prevent the population from moving cities in search of work. Now the next question. Why are the large scale industry encouraged even though they are very expensive to set up? Large scale industries are encouraged because modern method of the production can be more easily used in large scale industries. Therefore, better goods can be produced more cheaply. Now we will discuss multiple choice question. In India, production of which of these is maximum? Is wheat, rice, oilseed or spices? It is spices. Which of these is not an oilseed? Groundnut, tea, mustard, linseed. Tea is not a oilseed. Which of these is an advantage for large scale industry over small scale industry? It can be set up at a lower cost. It does not need heavy machinery. Better quality. Cheaper goods can be made. It can be quickly set up. Cheaper goods can be made. Now the fourth, which industry started only a few years ago has grown very rapidly in India? Steel, computer software, textile, oil refinery. This is computer software. Now, horse you have to complete by yourself in your revision copy. Thank you.